With more and more of us relocating to cities, we're living closer together and in smaller spaces than ever before. To help your square footage stretch further, we've rounded up the best home ideas for apartment living. From genius products and gadgets to clever storage hacks that will make life easier. 1. Get a wall-mounted clothes error. Most apartments don't have a utility room, so it's easy to let your living space get cluttered with freestanding clothes errors. Instead, consider a wall-mounted clothes error instead. This one is made from pine, and it's a brilliant space saver, putting a vacant wall to use and freeing up valuable floor space. 2. Get space efficient with your pets. Who says there's no room for a dog? You just need to get a little creative and opt for multitasking furnishings. Cleverly, this dog crate doubles up as a side table, so your canine friend gets a comfy spot to sleep in while you get somewhere to rest your glass of tequila. 3. Shrink your ironing board. It goes without saying that ironing boards take up a lot of space, both when it comes to using and storing them. However, a petite tabletop ironing board is small enough to hide away in a cupboard when not in use. It can also be used anywhere, from your dining table to your kitchen counter. Ideal for when space is at a premium. 4. Fold your bed away. Sometimes it pays to be able to tuck your bed away, particularly if you live in a studio flat. Enter the bed in a box, now offered by a range of brands. By night, it's a stylish single bed with a sleek headboard. By day, it folds down into a small box, saving you space and providing an extra seat for visitors. 5. Fit a floating desk. Finding room for a home office in an apartment can often be challenging. Instead, why not opt for a floating desk like this one? Ideally proportioned, it's got enough space for your laptop and a coffee when you're in work mode. Then, when the night draws in, just tuck everything away in the drawers and use it as a feature shelf or side table. Now that's how to do tiny living in style. 6. Hang up kitchen utensils. Apartment kitchens often don't have much cupboard space. This shelving and hook unit allows you to free up countertops and storage cabinetry by displaying kitchen items like pans, jugs, mugs, and glasses. Not only is it an extremely efficient use of space, but it will also give your kitchen a quirky feel and make everything easy to reach while you're cooking. 7. Select stackable coffee tables. Versatile and space efficient, we're big fans of nesting tables. Pull them all out when you have guests around and you need extra surfaces for drinks and snacks. Then, when the party's over, simply tuck the small ones away beneath the biggest, keeping your living area feeling spacious and clutter-free. 8. Store things under your bed. Storing things under your bed makes valuable use of space that would otherwise be wasted. We love the sheer volume of room that an ottoman bed offers. Or, if a new bed isn't on the cards, consider getting some underbed storage boxes instead. That way, you can keep your items organized and easily accessible too. 9. Get clever with waste. Recycling can be tricky in a small apartment. The last thing you want is multiple bins taking up half your floor space. Placing bins in underused kitchen units will help you get thorough with your recycling while keeping it out of sight. This recycling unit fits under a kitchen sink, and you can also get bins that fit cupboards and pan drawers too. The possibilities are endless. 10. Grow cat grass. Felines enjoy a bit of vegetation in their diets, so growing cat grass for your indoor cat will provide them with a healthy snack and prevent them from munching on your prized indoor plants. You can grow it yourself or buy it ready grown. Either way, we love it hung up out of the way in a sleek station like this one.